Hi everyone. So in previous video we have seen about the introduction of the alternating current and what is the difference between AC and DC current and what is AC current, what is DC current, what is the average value of current and what is the formula for I average that we have seen in I average is equal to integration of I dt by integration of dt, and then we have solved some problems, and then also we have seen that for full cycle what is the I average. So for full cycle we have I average is equal to 0, and for half cycle it is 2 I naught by pi. So we have seen the derivation for that also. Now in this video today we are going to see about the RMS value. So today we are going to see about the RMS value. RMS value. So first, the full form of RMS value is nothing but the root mean square. R means root, mean, and then square. So first I will tell you that the formula for V, as we have studied, that V is equal to V naught sin omega t. This is the common formula, that V is equal to V naught sin omega t. And first I will ask you one question. The question is, so in our home 220 volt come, correct? In our whole 220 volt current is coming in our home, correct? 20 volt current. So that current is V naught, that voltage. I am asking about that voltage is V naught or V. That I am asking. That voltage is V naught or V. What is this? Is it V or it is V naught? So it is nothing but. So we will see today what is that. So yeah. So first we will see the V is equal to V naught sin omega t graph. So it is the T and this is V. So here this is a sine wave, so it will be sinusoidal. So like this it will be. So here this is called the V naught. So that is nothing but the peak value. V naught, this is the peak value. Now 220 volt. I am asking about the 220 volt. 220 volt is nothing but it is RMS value. So whatever the 220 volt is coming, that is not the V naught, it is the VRMS. Okay. So in our home the 220 volt current is coming, that is not the V naught, it is VRMS. Hope this is clear. So what is RMS value? Now we will see. So first, what is do you mean by RMS? So root mean square. So what we have to do first, from left to right we have to follow. So first we have to do the square. So first do the square. So take us, if I am taking IRMS. So IRMS. So first it is asking about a square. So I squared. Now the square is over. Then mean. So this is the mean. Now mean is over. Now root. Now we have to make the root. So IRMS is nothing but the root of mean of I squared. Similarly, for the VRMS also we can write. So what will be the VRMS? So VRMS is equal to, first what is a square. So that is V square. Now what is mean? So this is the mean. After that root. So VRMS is root under V square. Now we'll see the next topic. Now we have seen that V is equal to, we have to see that if V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Okay, if V is equal to V naught sin omega t, then we have the formula for VRMS is equal to V naught by root 2. VRMS is equal to V naught by root 2. Similarly we have for I also. So if I is equal to I naught sin omega t, I is equal to I naught sine omega t, then we have the formula for IRMS. So similarly, IRMS is also I naught by root 2. So we are going to see the derivation. So if IRMS is equal to I naught sine omega t, then what will be the formula for IRMS, that is I naught by root 2. So we are going to derive this formula. So I will start the derivation. Yeah. So initially, from definition, as we have seen, from definition, what is the formula for IRMS? So IRMS, first we have to do the square, then we have to do the mean, and then we have to do the root. So this from definition we have seen IRMS is equal to root. IRMS is equal. So IRMS is equal to root under I square. So that we have seen. Now in case of I, we have seen that I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So we will replace I by I naught sine omega t. So we will replace I by I naught sine omega t. So here it is I square. So it will be what? So I naught sine omega t whole square, that is nothing but I naught square, and sine square omega t, sine square omega t, and the root under. Now what we will do? So one more thing we will do. So we will escape the root. If we will remove the root, then it will have a power of half. So we will do that. I naught sine square omega t, and to the we have a power of half, because we are removing the root, so we will get the power of half. This much is clear. Now if we remove the mean, it means we have to do the so this I naught square sine square omega t. So same we have seen in the previous case. So if any function or anything will depend on the time, then we have the formula as integration of I dt by integration of dt. So we will do the same formula. So here this is, so from 0 to capital T, and what will the integration of I naught square sine square omega t and dt, correct? And in down we have integration of dt from 0 to capital T, integration of dt, and whole we have a power of 1 by 2 because we have removed the root. So whole to the power 1 by 2. Now here what we will do? So sine square omega t, integration of sine square omega t, we don't have any formula for sine square omega t, but from the trigonometry we have one formula, that is sine square theta. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and then we will do the integration of this one. So we have this formula from the trigonometry, so I am going to use this formula instead of sine square omega t. Now so what I am doing, so I am I naught square is the constant, so I am giving it outside. So I naught square, and we will do this one. So it will be integration of 0 to t, and then instead of sine square omega t, we are going to write 1 minus cos 2 omega t. 1 minus cos 2 omega t. In down we have 2 also, so we are going to write 2, so by 2. In down we have integration of dt. So what is integration of dt? Integration of dt is t, and we have a limit from 0 to t, and we have whole to the power of 1 by 2. We have a whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now this one is, so we have I naught square, and 2 is also constant, so we will keep it aside 2, and now integration of 0 to t, integration from 0 to t, and 1 minus cos 2 omega t dt. 1 minus cos 2 omega t and dt. And in down we have integration, we have t, so we'll put the value of lower bound and upper limit. So it is t minus 0, so it is nothing but the only t, and we are left with whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now I am doing the whole the constant outside, so whole the constant if I am doing outside, then it will be I naught squared by 2, and we have t also, as so I am putting the t aside, so it is 2t. Now we are left with the integration of, so this one, integration of 1 minus cos 2 omega t. So now we will do the integration of this one. So what is the integration of 1 with respect to dt? So it is nothing but the t. And what is the integration of cos 2 omega t? It is nothing but the sine 2 omega t, sine 2 omega t by 2 omega. So integration of cos 2 omega t is sine 2 omega t by 2 omega, and we have a limit of t to 0 to t, and we have whole to the power of 1 by 2. I think this much is clear to you. Now we will do, yeah. So this much we have done. Now what I have to do, so I will put the upper bound and the lower limit in this. So it will be I naught square by 2 omega t is the constant, so I am putting it aside, so I naught square by 2t. Now I am going to put the value of, first is capital T, so it is capital T minus sine 2 omega into t. So it is a small t, so here we have to first put the upper limit, so it is capital T omega t by 2 omega. So we have put the upper limit, so now we are going to put the lower limit, so it is t, and here we have to put the 0, so it will be 0, and it will be minus, and one more minus is there, so it will be plus, and sine 2 into 0, so sine 0. We have sine 0 by 2 omega left, and we are done with the limit. Now we will give whole to the power of 1 by 2. This much is clear. Now what I am going to do, so here it will be also 0 and it will be also 0, so I am going to cancel this one, so I am only left with I naught squared by 2t, and here I am left with t minus sine 2 omega t, sine 2 omega t by 2 omega, and this will be sine 0 is 0, so we will cancel this term, and 0 will 0, so all will, these two term will get 0, so we are neglecting these two term, and we have whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now we have to put again capital T is equal to 2 pi by omega, that we know, so put T is equal to 2 pi by omega. So now what will our formula will become? So now it will become I naught squared by 2t, and it is t, so we are going to put t. So first we will see, so here it will be only t, and in this I am going to put, so it will be sine 2, and omega is omega, and t is what? So it is 2 pi by omega, 2 pi by omega, and in down also we have omega, so I am going to put the omega value, so it is 2 into, and omega is omega. So hope this much is clear. Now we are going to see the next. So we have here whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now here we will cancel something. So what all will be cancelled? So we will cancel omega will be cancelled to omega. So omega will be cancelled to omega. And now we'll see the next. So now it will be I naught squared by 2t, and here it is same as the t, and this is minus sign. Here omega and omega get cancelled, so 2 into 2 is 4 pi. So it will be sine 4 pi by 2 omega. So we are left with sine 4 pi by 2 omega only, and we have a whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now here, so as we already know, sine n pi is equal to 0, so this term will get to 0. So we are going to neglect this term. So now which all term we are left with? So it will be I naught square by 2t into t, and this term will get 0, and we have a power of 1 by, we have a power of 1 by 2. Now so we are going to cancel 1t with 1t, and then we are left with I naught square by 2, and we have power 1 by 2, so we are going to do the square root. So it will become I naught square is of root, so it will become I naught, and root under. So we have proved IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2. So this much is clear. Hope you understood this one. So similarly we have VRMS is equal to V naught by root 2. So similarly we have the same formula. Now we are going to see further. Yeah. So we have seen I is equal to, if V is if I is equal to I naught sine omega t, if I is equal to I naught sine omega t, then what is the value for IRMS? So we have IRMS is equal to nothing but the I naught by root 2, correct? So similarly we have V naught also. So if V is equal to V naught by V naught sine omega t, then we have VRMS is equal to V naught by root 2. So now as we have seen, so 220 volt is coming in our home, correct? So we have seen in the starting, so 220 volt is nothing but it is the RMS current, correct? So it is the RMS current. Now we want to see, so how much the voltage is coming in our home. So what is the formula for VRMS? So VRMS is nothing but the V naught by root 2. So we are going to find a V naught here. So V naught formula from here is what? V naught is equal to, we are doing the cross multiply, so V naught is equal to root 2 VRMS, correct? Root 2 VRMS. Now here root 2, and what is the value of VRMS? And we already know VRMS is nothing but a 220 volt. So root 2 into 220, that is approximately equal to 311 volt. So this much of voltage is coming in our home. Hope this is clear. Now, yeah. So I'm going to tell you one note point. Yeah. So one note you can make. So if V is given in exam, if V is given in exam and they are not sure about what is that V naught, so if V is given in exam and not mentioned what kind of V is it, what kind of V is it, so is it VRMS or V naught or V average? So in that case, what you have to see, it would be only VRMS. So always remember, it would be VRMS. If V is not given specifically, so it will be VRMS. So always remember this note point. So it will be always VRMS. Okay. Now, so AC current we have seen. So AC current will produce the same energy. So as given by the constant current of the magnitude. Now I am going to tell you some shortcut. So you have to remember that shortcut. So it will be helpful for the JEE mains and NEET purpose. So I am write down some shortcut. So first one is sine omega t bar. So bar of sine omega t is nothing but it will be 0. This all is for the full cycle. Okay, write down for full cycle. And second we have cos omega t bar, that is also equal to 0. And then we have sine square omega t bar, sine square omega t bar, that is equal to 1 by 2. And then cos square omega t bar, cos square omega t bar is equal to 1 by 2. Hope this is clear. Now we are going to solve one question that has came into the NEET. Yeah. So it has came into the NEET. Yeah. So what is the question? So I am going. So question is find RMS current for, and the situation is given in down. So that is find RMS current for, and it is given I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So we have to do this question. So we have to find the RMS current, and the expression is given as I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So first we are going to see, so what is the RMS value? So we have seen, so RMS is nothing but the, first we have to do the square, then we have to do the mean. So this is the mean, and then we are going to root. So this is the IRMS value. Okay. So now we know I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So I am going to put the value of I is equal to I naught sine omega t, because it is already given here. So I squared. So it is I naught squared, and sine squared omega t. Correct. Now this whole mean. So we will going to differentiate both. We are going to divide both the mean. So this will be I naught squared, one mean, and one mean is sine square omega t, and mean. Now, so tell me the value of sine square omega t mean. So I have given here the value. So I have given the shortcut directly. So sine square omega t mean is nothing but it is 1 by 2. So we are going to put the value of 1 by 2 here. So if I am going to put the value of 1 by 2, so what it will become? It will become here root under I naught square. And what is sine square omega t mean value? So it is nothing but the 1 by 2. So if there is root, so I naught square root is nothing but the I naught, and this will be root under. So hope this is clear how to do this question. Now we have one more question that is asked in JEE mains. So we will do the similar kind of problem has been asked in JEE mains also. So we will solve that question also. Yeah, the question was the same, that find the RMS find our RMS current for. So what is the question? So expression is so we have I is equal to here, find RMS current for I is equal to I naught plus I naught sin omega t. Now we are going to do this question. So as you already know, what is the value of IRMS? So IRMS is nothing but, so first we have to do the square, so it is I squared, and then we have to go to the mean, and then we have to go to the root. This much is clear. So IRMS is this one. Now what is the value of I? So it is given I naught plus I naught sin omega t. So we have to do the whole square, I naught plus I naught sin omega t whole square. So this is a plus b whole square, similar formula, a plus b square, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I am going to put directly that one. So a square, so a is I naught, so that is I naught square, I naught square plus b square, so b naught is this one, so I naught square, and here it is sin square omega t, sin square omega t, and then we have a square plus b square, and then we have 2ab. So I am going to put here 2 into a into b, so it is I naught, and it is sin omega. So I naught into I naught sin omega t, so it will be I naught square. So and we have a mean of all the things, so we'll do this one. Yeah. Now so we will separate all the mean, because sin and I naught value will going to separate, so it will be I naught square, and we have a bar here, that is mean, nothing but the mean, and again we have I naught square. I am going to separate from here I naught square, and this sin square omega t I am going to separate with the mean, so sin square omega t, and then we have a 2, and I naught square also, so this much is also separate, and then we have a sin omega t, so I'm going to that one also separate, so sin omega t will be also separated. This much is clear. Now I am going to see what all is. So first I naught square is there, and again we have I naught square mean, and now we have seen the mean of sin square omega t. I have given the one shortcut. Sin square of omega t is nothing but it is 1 by 2. So we are going to directly put the value of here 1 by 2, and it is 2, and I naught square, and the mean is there, and then we have sin omega t is there. So we have seen what is the shortcut I have given. So mean of sin omega t is nothing but it is 0. Sin omega t mean is 0, so directly it will be 0. So this term goes to 0, so this term is cancelled. Now in this term we are left with, so this is I naught square, and then whatever we are left with, so it will be 1 and plus 1 by 2. So I am going to take the I naught square as common, so if I root, so I naught square is nothing but it will be I naught only, so I naught, and 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but that it will be 3 by 2, but it is under root, so we have the now this is the answer, root under 3 by 2 into I naught. So hope this is clear. No any doubt will be there. Now we are going to see one more question that has been asked in JEE Mains of similar kind of question. So after that we'll going to yeah. So the question was same, find RMS current for and we have to find RMS for, and the equation is given as here as, so that is I is equal to I1 sin omega t and I2 cos omega t. So again we have the formula for IRMS. So what is the formula for IRMS? So first we have to do the squared. So I squared, and then we have to go to the mean, and then we have to go to the root. Yeah. So I value is this one. So this is again a plus b. So a plus b whole this is square. So a plus b square I'm going to put, that is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'm directly putting the value of this one. So this one is a. So a square, that is I1 squared, I1 square. So this 2 bar, yeah, and then we have b square. So b this one. So it will be I2 square, I2 square, and we have cos square omega t also, cos square, cos square omega t, and we have mean for this one, and then we have 2ab. So 2 into I1 into I2, and we have sin omega t into cos omega t, sin omega t into cos omega t. I'm going to make the whole. Now I am going to put the value. So first one is, so it will be I square only, I1 square only. Now what is the shortcut that I gain for mean square sin square omega t? So for that one, sin square omega t mean, yeah, sin square omega t mean is nothing but it is 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2, and then we have I2 square. So I2 square, and what is the cos square omega t mean? So shortcut. So we are going to see. So cos square omega t mean is also 1 by 2. So we are going to put the value of 1 by 2, and then we have 2 into I1 into I2 and sin omega t into cos omega t. So we have shortcut for sin omega t and cos omega t, both will be 0. So both will be 0, so it will be 0. It all goes to 0. Now we are left with I1 squared by 2 plus I2 squared by 2. So now it will be root under I1 squared, I1 squared plus I2 squared, and because I am taking the LCM, so it will be whole under root. So root under I1 squared by I2 squared by 2. So this is the solution for this question. So hope you understood. So today class. So thank you. That's all.